Cheers! Cheers!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Are you all done? Because you're making a mess. Oh. Honey, does Daddy need to go put this in the cup holder on the stroller? You're just making a mess. Or maybe we need to put it in the garbage. Cheers! 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 Mm. Cheers. You got poopies in there. Are you a stinky boy? Huh? No? Okay, do a cheers. Cheers! Take a drink. Cheers! Your hands are so cold.
You got cold hands.
Your hands are so cold. That's mine. This is yours. No wonder why you don't want to hold it.